Maha Cartoon TV.
Even today you had to come late? You know, since when I was waiting for you?
Today some important work had come in the office, so there was delay in leaving.
Huh, can there be anything more important than your birthday? Huh? Honey, after marriage, we are celebrating your birthday together for the first time.
Yes, baby. Time flies so fast. We didn't even realize that we are going to complete 1 year of our happy married life.
I feel like we had our first meeting a few days back.
Yes, you are saying the right thing.
Come on, let's celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, Sunny. May God bless you. May God bless you with lots of happiness and success in the world, honey.
It was fun celebrating my birthday with you. Life has changed since you came into my life.
I always pray to God that we keep celebrating birthdays like this every year.
Rinky and Sunny both were living a very happy married life. It's been almost 1 year they are living together. Rinky celebrated Sunny's birthday with a lot of excitement.
Good night, honey.
Sweet dreams. Rinky, today I have to go out of town for 2 days for office work. I will leave directly from the office.
Okay, honey. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, how are you?
I am fine. I called you, but you didn't pick up the phone.
Yes, I saw your call. But yesterday I was busy with work, so I couldn't talk.
Why? What happened?
Nothing special. It was Sunny's birthday.
You don't care about me when Sunny is with you.
Yes, you're right.
I'll talk to you later.
Hey, you.
What happened? Scared?
Oh, no. Come inside.
Are you alright? You look a bit upset.
Oh, no. I'm fine.
Are you not comfortable telling me?
Oh, no. It's not like that.
What problem you are facing?
Life has become boring for some time now. In this house, from morning to evening and night to day passes. What all dreams I had for my married life all went to the dustbin.
But what happened all of a sudden?
Sunny doesn't think about my happiness. He treats me like he has bought me. That is my problem.
What happened to the mobile phone now?
I really don't know, man. The voice starts recording on its own.
Alright, I'll go now. Let's talk on the phone.
The relationship of Rinky and Sunny as a couple looked good from outside, but from inside, the things were haywire. What will happen when Sunny will face the reality of Rinky?
You? At this time? Is everything alright?
Yes, everything is alright. Actually, that trip is cancelled due to some reason. I tried calling you, but your phone was busy.
Oh, really? I'm very sleepy now. I'm going to sleep.
Alright.
Hey, you!
What happened? Scared?
Oh, no. Come inside.
How much I love you, Rinky. But
I have made your favorite breakfast. How is it? You never appreciate me.
It's tasty.
Do you want more?
No, it's enough. Today I have to go out of station. I'll come back after 2 days. Then we will go somewhere out to celebrate our anniversary.
Fine.
Since when I'm calling you? Why are you not picking up my phone?
Hey, I was with Sunny.
Today? At this time?
Yeah, he went late today.
Okay, I really don't know till when you have to tolerate that dump.
Yes, you're right.
I have a way out to get rid of him.
What is it?
He is going to take you out on your anniversary, right?
Yeah, so what?
You must go to a hill station. And accidents in hilly areas are very common.
Yeah, this is right.
Okay, I love you.
Whatever Sunny heard last night on Rinky's phone, he tried to let it go and be normal. But he didn't know that Rinky would pay the cost of his goodness by taking his life.
Hey, you! Come inside.
Hey, why are you looking so surprised? Soon you would just see my face only.
You had a drink?
Yes, I drank to celebrate. Honey, are you scared of seeing me drunk?
No, but you have drunk too much. Look, you're not conscious. Please, leave right now.
Come, you come to me.
No, you stay away.
What?
You just stay away.
From now only you have started showing your tantrums.
Hello? Please save me.
Who did this to you?
Vixen.
Quickly take her to the hospital.
Sir, she has died?
Probably belongs to this girl. Now I have understood the game. Sir, I have not done anything. You can tell the court what have you done and what not. For now, let's go to jail.
Sunny took the revenge of cheating from his disloyal wife and her boyfriend.
Yeah, he went late today.
Okay, I really don't know till when you have to tolerate that dump.
Yes, you're right.
I have a way out to get rid of him.
What is it?
He is going to take you out on your anniversary, right?
Yeah, so what?
Sunny couldn't bear the disloyalty from his wife, which resulted in a very tricky game played by Sunny, in which Sunny killed his wife using Vixen's face mask and held him accused for this crime. In this way, he took revenge from both Rinky and Vixen. And also Sunny tricked police and made his way clear.
Happy birthday. Sunny doesn't think about my happiness. Huh? Can there be anything more important than your birthday? Huh? He treats me like he has bought me. That is my problem. May God bless you with lots of happiness and success in the world, honey.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.